This video will guide you through reviewing a land contract. Land Contract Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since both buyers and sellers want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a land contract and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a land contract, key terms to find and understand in your document, costs to hire a lawyer for a review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for land contracts. Land contracts are legally binding documents that outline the terms of a sale and financing arrangement directly between a property buyer and seller. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Clear property description. Ensure the contract clearly describes the property being sold, including boundaries, legal descriptions, and any included fixtures or improvements. Purchase price and payment terms. Understand the purchase price, any down payments, and the schedule for installment payments that the buyer agrees to make. Interest rate and amortization. Check the interest rate applicable to the installment payments and how the loan is amortized over time. Default conditions. Review the conditions under which the buyer would be in default and the remedies available to the seller, including foreclosure or forfeiture. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a land contract. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Land contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the buyer and the seller are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the individuals or entities are used. 2. Legal description of property. Review the detailed legal description of the property to ensure it matches your understanding and expectations. 3. Purchase price. Check the total purchase price and any down payments required at the commencement of the contract. 4. Payment terms. Understand the schedule and amount of installment payments, including any balloon payments at the end of the term. 5. Interest rate. Confirm the interest rate applied to the installment payments and the total interest over the life of the contract. 6. Insurance and taxes. Review the responsibilities for insuring the property and paying property taxes during the term of the land contract. 7. Default and remedies. Understand the conditions and consequences of default, including any grace periods, penalties, and the seller's remedies such as foreclosure or forfeiture. 8. Transfer of title. Check when and how the title of the property will be transferred to the buyer once all terms of the contract are fulfilled. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the land contract, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your land contract is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a land contract is $410 on a flat fee basis. This is based on 25 recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a land contract is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the sale and financing arrangement and protecting your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.